Alright guys, so you really want to learn Photoshop and how to digitize your lettering pieces? Well, this is the class for you if you're a super beginner. You've created this wonderful lettering piece and now you want to sell prints of it or you want to post it online, but you need to clean it up, you need to move certain things, you need to just put it in a fake frame so it looks nice. Well, in this course, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. We're going to walk through how to install Photoshop, how to scan your art so that it's Photoshop ready, how to bring it in, how to create a new file, different file types, how to scale it up and scale it down and change colors, adjust colors, cut different letters and move them around, because sometimes we might need to change our composition a little bit without redoing the whole piece. And I'm even going to show you how to keep that nice transparency when digitizing your watercolor pieces or anything transparent like ink. And we're going to erase those pencil lines that you have left underneath that you can't erase anymore. So if you want to learn all of those things that I just talked about, enroll in this class and I'll see you in lesson 1.